Right, back again. At this stage, kind of 15 aces already playing. First of all, it's a huge privilege to have the captain of the first team, Mr. Raul here, as well as the coach of the first team. Sorry, I wish. Years back you would, I guess. But I've also got the captain of the first team for name.
Yes.
First of all, the first question: how was the build-up?
The build-up was amazing this whole week. We had into schools, like the school comes together and we have different things we do, different dress-ups we have. So the build-up was amazing, and yesterday we were at the hockey and unfortunately we didn't win, but the school came together and we took on the whole pavilion and the spirit was amazing.
Brilliant. How many of the inter schools have you now done as a coach?
This is my first inter schools as a first team coach, but I've done three before that as a coach with the under 14s, 15s. I'm lying, four of them, under 14s, under 19s, through the age groups, and then I did five as a player because I was in Belleville myself.
Wow. This is your last inter, I believe. Your last match also for Belleville?
Yes.
How important is this game for your team? Since it's the last game, how important is this game for your team?
I've been asked this question before and I'll still say it again. This is the most important game of the season. I can't emphasize how much of importance this is to us. We need to win this because we are as good as our last game, and this is very important to us.
How has the season been so far? Are you happy with the team's results? I checked last time, you were 87. I know it's very misleading because there's so many ranking systems in South Africa. But are you satisfied with the team coming to this game?
I'm very satisfied. This is our last league game for the year. At this stage, unfortunately, we just lost one game in the dying minutes. I think time was passed, and we lost against Melkbos.
Okay.
But really had a good season. We had a tough tour, but I always believe tough tours set you up for a great
Absolutely.
season. And we had a good season after that. Really showed a lot of fight, a lot of character, and the guys really came through strong.
Great stuff. All the teammates, are they ready? Are any injuries, or are you satisfied that your teammates are strength, fit, and ready for the game?
Talking about injuries, actually, I was out for last week's game
Oh.
against 2 weeks ago against Strand because I hurt my ankle, and one of our best players actually hurt his knee. But as coming into this build up to inter schools the last 2 weeks, because we had this weekend off, we can see all the players are fit and ready, and they're ready to take on the day.
Awesome.
Perfect.
I've had an interview with the coach of DF Academy, CJ Diedrichs, and I was really impressed. And you can see that he was very determined. And already after the first game, it was 15-12 for Belleville. So it's going to be a tough game.
Yeah, definitely. I think you can you can make the mistake to look at the season and say this team is the underdog or this team is the favorite. But inter schools, it's open for anyone. Where usually you might be hesitant to put your body on the line. I think when it comes to inter schools, it's the last game of the season. You want to put your body on the line, and nobody's backing off. So it's a fight till the end.
Great stuff. My last question for both of you now is your plans after this year. Are you going to continue with rugby? What is your plans for next year?
Yes, we actually had a conversation about it. Next year, I'm looking to study at Stellenbosch.
Brilliant.
And they have hostels. The hostels have rugby against each other, and I really look forward to playing that and having a community that comes together and still plays rugby, and a Friday under the lights, stuff like that. So I'm really excited to play rugby next year.
Well, I can tell you, Stellenbosch Rugby's got a great thing going. Sean Erasmus is actually going to be the coach there, and from the coach of Paul Boys High. He's just accepted the position, so he's going to be there. So all of the best for you and your career, and all of the best for today. We're going to be here rooting, and I know it's going to be an awesome close-off.
Yeah, thank you so much, and thank you for the platform you're creating for our schools, and thank you for the opportunity to speak to you.
Thank you so much. Back to the studio. Thank you so much. It's a wrap for myself.